Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world. From self-driving cars to AI assistants, the possibilities seem endless. OpenAI's GPT-4 is a prime example of this AI revolution. It can generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer questions. Now, OpenAI is going further. They are building a successor to GPT-4. This new AI system promises even greater capabilities. It could redefine the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The announcement of GPT-4's successor has sparked excitement and debate. Tech enthusiasts are eager to see what this new AI can do. Others are concerned about the potential risks. One thing is certain: GPT-4's successor will be a major milestone in AI development. It will have a profound impact on our lives. In this essay, we will explore the technology behind GPT-4's successor. We will also discuss its potential applications, ethical implications, and the future of AI. OpenAI is keeping the technical details of GPT-4's successor under wraps. However, experts believe it will be a significant improvement over its predecessor. One key area of advancement is likely to be the model's size and complexity. GPT-4 is already a massive model with billions of parameters. Its successor is expected to be even larger. This increased scale will allow the AI to process and understand information more effectively. Another area of improvement could be the model's training data. GPT-4 was trained on a massive dataset of text and code. Its successor will likely be trained on an even larger and more diverse dataset. This will make the AI more knowledgeable and adaptable. OpenAI may also incorporate new techniques to improve the model's reasoning and problem-solving abilities. This could include advancements in reinforcement learning or unsupervised learning. The potential applications of GPT-4's successor are vast and transformative. In the realm of communication, it could power even more sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered companions could provide personalized experiences. They could handle complex tasks like scheduling appointments or booking travel arrangements. In the field of education, GPT-4's successor could revolutionize learning. It could create interactive textbooks and personalized tutoring systems. The AI could also grade essays and provide feedback to students. The creative industries will also be impacted. The successor to GPT-4 could compose music, write scripts, and even generate realistic 3D models. This could change how art is created and consumed. While these applications are exciting, they also raise concerns about job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it could automate tasks currently performed by humans. The development of GPT-4's successor raises important ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for bias. AI models are trained on data created by humans. If this data reflects existing biases, the AI will perpetuate them. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, a biased AI hiring tool could unfairly disadvantage certain groups of applicants. Another ethical concern is the potential for misuse. GPT-4's successor could be used to generate harmful content, such as hate speech or misinformation. It could also be used to create deepfakes, which are realistic but fake videos or images. These deepfakes could be used to spread propaganda or damage someone's reputation. Addressing these ethical concerns is crucial. OpenAI and other AI developers must prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability in their work. The development of powerful AI systems like GPT-4's successor requires collaboration and careful consideration. Governments, researchers, and industry leaders must work together to establish guidelines and regulations for AI development. This will help ensure that AI is used for good and that potential risks are mitigated. Public education and open dialogue are also crucial. People need to understand how AI works, its potential benefits, and its limitations. This will enable informed decision-making about the role of AI in society. Another important aspect is the need for control mechanisms. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it's crucial to have ways to prevent them from causing harm. This could involve developing kill switches or other safeguards to ensure human oversight. Ultimately, the future of AI depends on our ability to balance innovation with responsibility. By working together, we can harness the power of AI for good while mitigating its potential risks. The development of GPT-4's successor is just the beginning. As AI research continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful and transformative AI systems in the future. These systems could revolutionize healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and countless other industries. They could also help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and disease. However, the future of AI is not predetermined. It depends on the choices we make today. If we prioritize ethical considerations, foster collaboration, and promote responsible AI development, we can create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. The journey into the age of advanced AI has begun. It's up to us to ensure that it leads to a brighter future for everyone.